This is how to factory reset, hard reset the Samsung Galaxy A20. Let's get started. With your Samsung Galaxy A20 powered off, we're going to hold the volume up and power button at the same time. Press volume up slightly before power. Volume up, power, just like that. We're going to keep holding until we see Samsung logo and then let go with both fingers. And it's easy from here. We're going to watch the Android recovery menu show up right here for the Samsung Galaxy A20. We're going to use the volume keys to scroll down to wipe data factory reset. We're going to press OK with power. We're going to confirm wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. We'll use volume to scroll down and press OK with power. And we'll be able to see down here that the data wipe is complete. And now it is safe to reboot the system. If you have set your phone up with your Google or Gmail account, you will 100% need your Google or Gmail login and password to get back into the phone, especially if you've turned on the security features, usually called Find My Phone or Find My Device. If this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.